Hey there, fellow gamers. Are you ready to take your Minecraft skills to the next level? Well, what if I told you that you could learn how to code playing Minecraft? Yes, you heard that right. Moonpreneur has just launched the ultimate Minecraft coding course for all you aspiring young coders out there.
Let's talk about some basics before we dive in. Who doesn't love crafting the perfect pickaxe, am I right? Whether you're new to the game or a seasoned miner, having the right tools is crucial for your survival and success in the world of Minecraft.
Let's break down the process of creating all-important Stone Pickaxe. It's the key to unlocking a world of possibilities and digging into some seriously cool resources. With just a few simple steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming the ultimate Minecraft pro.
Gathering materials. First things first, you'll need to gather 3 cobblestones and 2 sticks. Don't worry, we'll show you the easiest way to get your hands on these materials without breaking a sweat. After all, every great miner knows that preparation is the key to success.
Opening the crafting menu. Now, it's time to flex those crafting skills. Open up your crafting menu by pressing E, and get ready to embark on a journey of creativity and skill. With a 3x3 grid at your disposal, you'll be able to bring your vision to life in no time.
The Stone Pickaxe. Voila! Arrange those materials just right, and before you know it, you'll have your very own durable and efficient stone pickaxe. Say goodbye to the limitations of a wooden pickaxe and hello to a world of possibilities. You'll be mining stronger materials like a pro in no time.
Now, imagine taking your Minecraft skills to a whole new level by incorporating the power of coding. Yes, you heard me right. Moonpreneur is bringing you the opportunity to not only dominate the Minecraft world but also to learn the art of coding in the most exciting and engaging way possible.
The Moonpreneur Minecraft Coding Course, the perfect fusion of gaming and education. If you're between the ages of 7 to 16, this is your chance to embark on an epic journey of learning and fun. Think about the incredible things you can create and achieve by mastering the art of coding within the Minecraft universe.
You're delving into the depths of Minecraft's digital landscape, creating your own customized worlds and bringing your wildest dreams to life, all while acquiring the invaluable skill of coding. How cool is that?
But here's the deal, this isn't something you want to sleep on. Moonpreneur is offering a free trial class. Can you imagine all the cool things you can learn in that? So, rally up your folks, let them know about this fantastic opportunity, and get ready to embark on a journey that will not only level up your gaming skills but also set you on a path toward a bright and exciting future. Book a free trial class today and level up your Minecraft experience in more ways than one. The link is in the description.
But you've got to hurry, this offer won't last forever. So get your parents to sign you up for a trial class with Moonpreneur as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.